Hi everybody, it's Mr. Brayden here, and I'm going to show you how to make a puzzle to work on visualizing numbers a little bit better. So you're going to need your dice. Well, the dice are optional, but I like to use the dice. A pencil, construction paper. I use the ruler from the Kiwi crate and a pair of scissors. So what we're going to do first is we're going to construct the basic outline of a puzzle. So I'm going to make a 4-piece puzzle, and I'm going to use my ruler to help me construct it. I'm not going to use the whole piece of paper. You can use as much of the paper as you would like, but I am not going to use the whole thing just because I think it's a little bit more satisfying to have some leftover pieces of paper to recycle. So this can be as crazy or as clear cut as you would like it to be. I like to have mine a little bit clear cut. But as you can see, my lines aren't exactly straight. So I kind of have a trapezoid for the puzzle. And then we're going to divide lightly into 4 squares on our box that we have. If I can pick up my ruler. So I'm going to draw a light line first. And then we're going to make our little puzzle pieces on ours. Try to make them different for each one. So that way you can try to fit the puzzle back a little bit together as it is. And I'm going to leave that line for right now because I will erase it when I am done. So I erase it, clean it up a little bit. And now, this is where the fun part is. I'm going to take my dice, and I have the number 6. So in one box, I'm going to write the number out 6. And in another box, I'm going to put the 2 dice with the 3s, just like I rolled it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in another box, I'm going to put a new picture to represent 6. And I'm going to do that with the other puzzle piece too. So I'll show you that in a second. So for my pictures, I have a playing card with the 6 of diamonds. I have the number 6. I put 6 tally marks, and I put the dice that I rolled them with 6. You can also give them the alternative way. And now I'm going to cut out my puzzle, and I'll show you that in a second. So I have cut out all my puzzle pieces here, and then on the back of a paper, I'm going to lay out my pieces, and I'm going to try to construct the puzzle just like I cut it out. I think it was like this. Just moving around. And I've constructed my puzzle. It's kind of slippery, so if you want to glue it, down, that's perfectly fine. Do this for all the numbers if you can. Take a picture of it, send it to me. I would love to see what your completed puzzles look